doing fine, thank you.
How are you doing yourself, Anna?
I'm doing fine, thank you. Today, we shall do an experiment to see if carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. But how can we show the importance of carbon dioxide for photosynthesis?
Well, as we've been doing before in the previous experiments, we can take 2 leaves, and for this specific experiment, we can deprive 1 leaf from carbon dioxide, and we can allow the other leaf to have access to carbon dioxide. And then we take these 2 leaves and put them under light, then we can check if starch has been produced.
Okay, well that seems to be the right way, but carbon dioxide is found in the air, and air is found everywhere. We must find a way to avoid carbon dioxide from getting into the leaf. Can we do that?
Yes, we must give a substance that absorbs carbon dioxide from the air. In that way, the plant will get enough air, but the air will not have carbon dioxide in it.
Okay. That's a very good method, and I actually have an idea. We can take a pot plant with many branches, and then we can put polythene bag on one of the leaves and cover it so that it does not get carbon dioxide.
What a brilliant idea! We can follow this method for our experiment.
Okay, so now let's do our experiment. Here we have a host plant.
Pretty pot plant.
Yeah.
So what's the next step?
Well, I think we should use a polythene bag and place a few pellets of sodium hydroxide in it. Then we tightly cover the branch with this bag.
Sure. There you go. Sample of sodium hydroxide.
But you should be careful.
I know, they're caustic. That's a base. Will that do?
Yeah. Yes.
I think so. Okay, where are we going next?
Well, we're going to tightly cover one of these branches with it.
Okay.
Cameron, would you help?
Sure.
I think this one.
Perfect. What about Caesar?
If you put it on the branch, then I can help tie it up. We have to make sure that no air gets in.
Yes. It has to be airtight.
There we go. Okay. So now we'll keep the plant under bright light for a day or 2.
Okay, perfect.
And then we'll see your results.
Tomorrow or the day after tomorrow.
Perfect, okay.
Okay, it's now been 2 days. So now we'll cut off a leaf or 2 from the grapes.
Okay.
Well,
There you go, Kima, you start.
thank you. I can cut off 1 leaf that has been exposed to carbon dioxide. It can act as our control. Can you pass me the scissors, please?
Here you go.
Thank you.
Would you mind,
I
girls,
will cut off. What do I have?
if I'm going for cold water?
Yeah. Be careful not to burn your hands.
I will cut off the branch which had sodium hydroxide in it, which has absorbed all the carbon dioxide.
Put it over here. So, do we do the starch test now?
Yes, I guess so.
What's the first step of doing the starch test then?
Now we do the starch test.
Perfect. So what's the first step?
We have to soak the leaves into boiling water.
We should use forceps.
Yes.
Why do we put the leaves in the boiling water?
So as to remove the wax
Yeah.
that is found on the leaf.
I think it's enough.
So now we should boil the alcohol.
Yes.
I guess we have to wait for some time.
Yes. So the next step will be soaking these leaves into the alcohol. I think we should do that.
There we go.
Thank you.
Just do the next one.
Look how green the leaves are.
Yeah. I wonder what would change after they've been immersed in the alcohol.
Yeah.
So now we have to wait more. Can you push them more in? Okay.
Okay, well I think enough time has passed now. We should remove the leaves.
Yes.
And the chlorophyll is removed. Wow. Look at that.
The green color has totally disappeared.
Yes.
Okay, so now we should immerse it in boiling water
Why?
because these are really brittle.
Oh.
They will be good for our experiment. Okay. Would you-
Yeah. Sure. We'll wait for them until they're soft. Okay?
Yes.
Let's take out the beaker. Let's take it off of the stove.
Okay.
Totally. Color is green.
Yeah.
That must be the chlorophyll.
Yes. Sure.
So these leaves don't have lots of chlorophyll
Yeah.
right now.
That's right.
And they're perfect for our starch test.
Yes. Sure.
Okay, okay, so here is the item. And there's a dropper. So here's the iodine we'll be using for the starch test, for the starch
Okay.
test.
And I'll do
Use
this.
a dropper. I'll remove these objects.
Hosanna, you better come and see.
There you go. Make sure you cover the entire leaf.
The other one.
You do that.
I think we should wait for a while.
Okay.
Look at the leaves. In which leaf was starch formed?
Well, the leaf we took as a control and was exposed to carbon dioxide has a blue-black color, meaning that starch has been formed.
Yeah.
Well, but I don't see any blue-black color in the leaf which contains sodium hydroxide. The one which was in the polythene bag.
Okay, so what can we conclude from this?
We can clearly say that carbon dioxide is very important in the process of photosynthesis.
Yeah.
So I think our experiment today went very well.
Yeah, successful then.